Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post reels on Instagram using Creator Studio app. So without wasting any time, let's jump right on it. Make sure to watch the video till the end and make sure to follow the steps as well, and you should be able to post reels on Instagram. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your browser and then just type in Creator Studio, and once you have clicked on this, it will send you to the Meta Business Suite, that is your Creator Studio app. So once you have searched it, click on the first link that is shown to you, like right here, and once you have clicked on it, you should be sent to this Meta Business page, that is your Creator Studio. Now make sure to connect to your Facebook account and your Instagram account, and here all you need to do is click on Create Reel, and here you have the options either to save it both in your page and your account, or just select your Instagram account. And now once you have selected the video you want to add, by clicking the add option, you should get something like this, as you can see. And now all you have to do is type in the caption you want, choose the thumbnail you want to set for your reel, and then click on next. And now if you want to select the audio, you can select the audio from here, and then automatically turn this on as well. And I'm going to select this and just click on next, and then you can see all you gotta do is click on share, and your reel will be shared here in your Instagram. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. So consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.